Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the name of seasons and weathers in Arabic. The name of first season is Ashita. Ashita. It's mean winter season. उर्दू में इसे मौसम सरमा कहते हैं. The next one is Kharif. Kharif. It's mean autumn season. उर्दू में इसे मौसम ख़ज़ां कहते हैं. खरीफ. The next word is Rabi'. Rabi'. It's mean spring season. उर्दू में इसे मौसम बहार कहते हैं. Rabi'. The next one is Saif. Saif. It's mean summer season. उर्दू में इसे मौसम गर्मा कहते हैं. Saif. The next word is which is used for weather is bird. Bird. It's mean cold. उर्दू में इसे सर्दी कहते हैं. The weather will be called barid. Barid. The next word used for weather is thalj. Thalj. It's mean snow. उर्दू में इसे बर्फ कहते हैं. And the weather will be muslij. Muslij. It's mean snow falling. The next word is jalid. Jalid. It's mean ice. उर्दू में इसे बर्फ कहते हैं. The next weather is yabusa. Yabusa. It's mean dry. उर्दू में इसे खुश्की कहते हैं. The next word is harrun. Harrun. Har. It's mean warmth. उर्दू में इसे गर्मी कहते हैं. The word used for this weather is har. The next word is mushmis. Mushmis. It's mean sunny. उर्दू में इसे धूप कहते हैं. Mushmis. The next word is ratuba. Ratuba. It's mean humidity. उर्दू में इसे नमी कहते हैं. Ratuba. The next word is matar. Matar. It's mean rain. उर्दू में इसे बारिश कहते हैं. And the weather will be mumtir. Mumtir. The next word which is used for weather is barq. Barq. It's mean lightning. उर्दू में इसे बिजली कहते हैं. Barq. Barq. The next word which is used for weather is ra'd. Ra'd. It's mean thunder. उर्दू में इसे गर्ज कहते हैं. And the word used for weather is ra'diyun. The next word is ghaim. Ghaim. It's mean cloudy. उर्दू में इसे अबर आलूद कहते हैं. Ghaim. Ghaim. The next word is asifah. Asifah. It's mean storm. उर्दू में इसे तूफान कहते हैं. Asifah. The last word is mu'tadil. Mu'tadil. It's mean moderate. उर्दू में इसे दरमियाना कहते हैं. Mu'tadil. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.